Hey everybody, Redbeard with isitrecordable.com, AccuStatsUSA.com, and Safeopedia.com. Today I want to talk a little bit about incident rates and why incident rates are counterintuitive. Why my UK, to say it like my UK friends would say, incident rates are bullocks. So, safety equals safe conditions plus safe actions, okay? And incidents equal unsafe acts plus unsafe conditions. All right, so on the actions and conditions side, right, that's your proactive safety. That's where your proactive leading indicators will come from. And on the incident side, that is your lagging indicator, all right? And safety is a lot like, a good analogy is light in a room, the amount of light in a room, right? So if you walk into a room and the room is too dark, how do you make it less dark? Well, you can't make it less dark. There's no such thing as dark, right? Dark is defined as the absence of light, okay? Then the heat is another good way of looking at it. It's another good analogy to safety. Heat and cold. Cold is the absence of heat. You can't measure how cold it is outside. You only measure how much heat there is. Okay? In the same way, you can't measure how many incidents you're having because you just don't know. You don't know. Like, at best you can measure the incidents you hear about, the ones you get reported, but there's way more incidents occurring than you could ever possibly know. There's way more near misses happening at every level of severity. You just can't do it. What you can do is measure the positive. You can measure what's going into it. You can measure your level of safety. And there you have a number of metrics that are actionable for employees that measure what they're doing in the positive. And you really should try to measure that and build on that year on year, day by day even. So just keep that in mind. You can't eliminate failure. You can only build on your successes. Another good analogy that I like is, imagine you're at the bar and your beer is almost empty. What do you say to the waiter or the bartender? Remove the negative space from my glass. No, it's ridiculous. No one says that. You say fill her up. So when it comes to safety, you have to remember, fill her up.